Once data is taken from the ERP system, it can then be optimized to meet further requirements. The subsequent parts can be provided with individual track and trace coding. Whether it's a name, serial number, or QR code, the associated variable data can easily be transferred from an external database for printing. The machine parameters are automatically assigned to the part. Even the positioning of the printed objects on the print plate is fully automated. For optimum utilization and high productivity. The automatically created support structure makes even complex geometrical shapes possible. Because it is water-soluble, disposal is easy and environmentally friendly. The process uses no chemical solvents. Our intelligent polar slicer software defines the layer thickness. The resolution and surface quality of the printed objects can thus be set precisely. Our printers automatically prepare standards-compliant documentation, guaranteeing fully traceable production. What's more, our optional track and trace feature provides counterfeit protection and product security throughout the entire production cycle. Not only at batch scale, as known to date, but even every individual part.